sell your digital products without a following. This is what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can sell your digital products without a following and without showing your face. So let's get into the video. A gold mine, because you don't have to be showing up every day, creating videos and all that stuff, and you don't need a following. Even if you have one follower, Pinterest can still work for you in your digital products. Yes, so there are so many people using it to put their digital products here so that people can buy them, and you can see a lot of them here. You can see a lot of digital products here, but what will make you to stand out, I'm going to show you those things that you can do and they'll make you to stand out. For example, this example I put down here in this video that I want to show you. As you see, this person is using their Pinterest the right way, putting in a lot of keywords in their titles. For example, if a person comes on Pinterest and they are searching for digital planner, they will find this person. If they are something searching for maybe a planner which is for good notes, this person will be found. And you can design these simple tools, this simple pin you yourself. It's simple and easy. And to design these pins, if you don't know how you can design them, we use this app Canva if you want, but for me that's what I use. Maybe if you know another one, you can go ahead and use that, but me, I always use Canva because it's easy for me. So if you come in Canva, you type in the word, you can put in the word pin, or you can put in Pinterest pins. So Pinterest will go ahead to Canva will go ahead to bring out the Pinterest pins for you, and you can choose. So it's already showing me Pinterest pins, so I'll click on this and Canva will give you different options. And don't worry, Canva, you can still use it on a free version or a paid version. If you are just starting out your business and you don't have money to pay Canva Pro, you can still use Canva on a free version and you are still good to go. Yes, you are still good to go. So these are different templates that you can use from Canva to create your pin that you can put on Pinterest. If you want something about fashion, you can use this if that's what you are selling. Maybe you are selling a fashion ebook, yes, or you can use this one if you are selling something about social media and marketing. Yes, these are different pins that you can use. So you can come here and choose something, or if you want to show like your product, put it in a markup, that's also a pin that you can choose. Any pin, anything you see here which has this, it shows that it's a paid for pin or a paid for element here in Canva, so you have to upgrade to use this. But anything you see like this is free. There is no icon like this, so you can go ahead, use this, edit it if you want. There is another option where you can start from scratch and design everything from scratch. But if you are new to this and you don't have any knowledge, you can just go ahead and use what has been already done, change it and customize it to fit your own liking. So here there are so many, you can come and choose any. So I'll click on this one to show you how easy it is to use Canva and Pinterest to market and sell your digital products. So what I will do, I've clicked on that pin and I'm going to customize it. So this is how it looks already. Yes, and here this is a markup. You can put in maybe a page of your digital product, or a cover of your ebook, or a cover of your self planner. It depends on what digital product that you are selling. Yes, maybe you are giving away a free guide, you want people to join your email list, and you can go ahead and use this as your pin so that anybody who clicks on it, they can go and access your free download that you are offering them. Yes, so you can use any pages from your product and put it in this markup. So I already have some pages that I was using here in my, for example, if I want to promote this, my curling planner. So you can put this here. As you can see, it has already gone inside that markup, that iPad markup. Yes, you can go ahead, you can enlarge it if you want, or you can just leave it the way it was. So it will depend on you. If you don't want to put that, maybe if I want to put this page there, as you can see, that also looks good. So you can go ahead and put in anything that is showing or to marketing it to people who want to have your digital product. Yes, you can put in anything according to your product in that markup if you want, or you can go with other different types of versions of pins here, because there are so many, yes, that you can use here. Yes, so if we go back to this pin that we are editing, you just go ahead and put that. That's simple and easy. You want, you can enlarge it like that, or you want, you can just leave it smaller. You just click here to make it smaller, you do like this, make it bigger. So here, if you want to edit your text here, you just click on that and edit. On here you can change the fonts to any font that you want. Maybe I want to put in like free download. Yes, so I'll just come here, put in the words of free download, and you can click on it here, increase it like this if you want to make it look more bigger and bold. Remember, the more your pin looks organized and the texts are easy to read, people will end up clicking on it and going to your digital product, because the words are easy to read. So don't make the words to be tiny that people have to wear glasses to read them. Yes, make your text bold, and if you want, you can change the font. So I'll click here on this font. So I can change to this. Yes, if you want, you can go back to the one that was there before if you want. So you can come here and try out different fonts here. Yes, and you check the ones that are free for you to use, that don't have this premium icon, so you can go ahead and use that. And if you want, you can also come here and delete this or talk more about your digital product. If you don't want, you can remove that section from there. Yes, and here you can put in the name of your website if you want. It's optional, or if you don't want, you can just leave it like that. If you want, you can also add in some colors to your background. If you click here, that's where you can go and add different colors to your background. So that's how easy and it's simple it is to create a pin. So if I click here, I'll download my pin, and you just go ahead, download it. It will be saved to your computer. Then you can go ahead and go to Pinterest to post it. But before you post it, you can go to websites like ChatGPT to help you come up with a good title, a good description, and some tags that you can put in your description. Remember, I told you having a good title that is full of keywords is going to help your pin to go viral, that people can find your pin. So if you put in any title that is not good, your pin will not be seen. And apart from using good titles, you're supposed to create good board names. For example, I already have board names. Now if I want, as you can see, I have board names about PR caroling pages. So if a person wants to buy a PR but for caroling pages, my board name already talks about that. And if I'm also creating a pin, I'll use a title which will have keywords like caroling pages, PR, and much more, so that when a person is searching on Pinterest, my digital product can be easily found and seen on Pinterest. So you make sure you always put in the right title that has enough SEO and keywords. You use board names that are searchable and can be seen quickly by the people who want to buy your digital products. Yes, so you be careful about that, because most people on Pinterest, they can be getting a lot of saves. People will be clicking on their pins, saving them, but when nobody is buying them, that means they look nice for them to be saved, but not nice enough for people to click off Pinterest and go buy. Remember, the main reason why you're on Pinterest, you want to drive sales to your digital products. So make sure you design a pin which can be readable. Make sure your board name is having SEO keywords, and your board description, and make sure your pin title and also description also have SEO and keywords. That's going to help you to be seen and to get sales from Pinterest. Yes, so as I've told you, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with those things. So if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to comment.